Ka Board of Control for Cricket in India haga khat khandai tarik ujamang kala play patba ya ki hindriu tali ki indoor cricket training facility nagbenta ki hindriu tali ki jilla jangka North East ka bakanthop ya ka jilla Meghalaya yakini ki marane lekai indoor la play do president ka BCCI Roger Bini padu honorary secretary Ujesha ka Meghalaya Cricket Association hanya ka sining kong kala bo yu maunong rim bantai yakini ka madan indoor cricket hamadan kurkalang Bhoirymbong Hajan jong ketika madan kindan room swimming pool, dressing room, southly ki pitch, but kiwe ki chingdan kam, but yakini ka madan ajing hika yaki samla on sependep no ahobanai nailar aja arpsaw. Ka MCA kan shim khiaru banwat yaki lat kilinti nagabenta ban pinbit pinbiang yaki chingdan kam ki samla, nagabenta ban pintibit haga kami lekai cricket hapo ka jalan. Hagan ikat singi bo yung maunang rim laidan lang u President ka Meghalaya Cricket Association unaba bhata cherji uba Gideon Kharkongor Honorary Secretary MCA u Regional Kharkamni Vice President ka Kong Silbi Pasa Padmashri Awardee u rang bashnong ka Lumdat Khla uba ST Rimpet kinong yalam ka Ribhoy District Cricket Association bat kirang bat kithay lekai cricket kiblawan na keleng ki district.
This special day, the inauguration of these indoor cricket facilities.
The construction has already started here for the cricket indoor facilities. Now here in this indoor, we will be having
MCA for giving the proposal for setting up the indoor cricket facilities here at Lomdaikla Kurikalang ground. This will create immense benefit to the not only to the state but particularly for our young and lover cricketers.
Ba kini kisi lomba ki media ba kila don ki stadium ki babiang kumawa ejer nanta tura nanta Shillong kila don ki stadium ki baper agbai dai bat ka football ngai menta ni iba ka cricket nu kala sedang po state ka jongi te phi ki kun hep ibret tolong Kiba Shim Kia.